Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Jasmy. So Jasmy has experienced a powerful rally here, taking a look on the weekly time frame, coming up and retesting this resistance line at 0.04469 here. Now the current price again is at 0.043. We had currently tested it in the last 4 hours, so it's pretty exciting to see this rally up. So we may see some consolidation or possible some healthy pullbacks in a shorter time zone. Now taking a look at the RSI here, we do see the RSI elevated at 83%, again suggesting overbought conditions, but time after time again Jasmy is currently pushing the boundaries of this bullish trend. And thank you guys so much for watching, spreading the news for Jasmy, commenting, and basically sharing the video itself so we can be able to grow the Jasmy community. Taking a look at the MACD indicator as well, it is very bullish here in the histogram. If you guys checked out yesterday's video itself, the histogram is growing rapidly in this weekly time frame. Taking a look on the monthly time frame, again, we are at a strong resistance level here. If we do see week after week breaking above the 78% of our fib and basically closing and using that area as support, then we are most likely going to be breaking above the 0.04 per dollar amount. Taking a look on our daily time frame, in the last previous candle close, we see almost a doji candlestick. This does show some indecision in the marketplace, so it is going to show very heavy analysis on this candle here where we're currently at. We do want to see strong strides when it comes to the bulls, especially from that indecision and kind of that market battle when it comes to the bulls and the bears in order to see this rally continue in strong strides. We do see the RSI here, again, extremely overbought conditions at 92%. We may see that slight pullback going into this candle here in the body itself. Now we do see the open roughly around 0.03 cents, and then the high itself as 0.0446. So going into tomorrow's video, we may see fluctuations in terms of the body, but most importantly, these wicks itself, we may experience some high selling pressure where the wick at the very bottom may drop even further. But our MACD indicator, strong green strides here for our histograms, and essentially we are going to be pushing boundaries in the resistance lines. Now taking a look on the 4-hour time frame, yesterday's video we kind of played around with the idea as to the price consolidating, possibly coming down to this area of support here. Whoopsie, to this area of support here at 0.036. It did look very strong, so we have been bouncing from the 78% of our fib that is well above that support consolidation line itself. So knowing that coming into the future, we know our secondary support or first line of support is going to come down to the 78% of our fib. And again, an extension of our trend line that we previously used is essential to drag as well, because we saw that as tested as resistance, and we are going to be using this as an area of support just in case the 78% does not hold. Now, one of the observations that I like in this 4-hour time frame is our moving averages. So again, we do see the bullish nature. We are above our two moving averages, our 20 and our 50. But if you take a look at the characteristics of this, we can see that the moving averages are getting wider apart. Most importantly, they are angled upwards. So that shows me that the uptrend is going to continue in this short time frame of 4 hours. The widening of our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average shows us the strength as well. So we're riding this wave, but most importantly, the momentum is building. We see high volume in this 4-hour time frame coming up to this area of resistance. So we may not break this resistance quite yet, depending on how far the bulls are willing to push it. And most likely, if we are able to push it in this 4-hour time frame, close above it, the test is going to come down to this resistance and treat it as an area of support support to have that validation that we have broken through. Another failed attempt here, or possible fail attempt, is if we do close above this resistance line, we may not find that support in the resistance of 0.0433, and the price may come back down and consolidate until we find that strength. Now, one of the things here that I do like seeing as a possible scenario is our RSI. Now, again, keep in mind this 4-hour time frame has not closed yet. So even though we see the RSI cross above our signal line in the example on the screen right now, this may not be the actual factor because that 4-hour candle has not closed. But if it has closed and we are seeing this, this does trigger a buy signal, and possibly we may see that close above this resistance line. So overall, you guys, Jasmy's recent bullish trend on the daily, on the weekly, and a retest on the monthly at this resistance have been remarkable, with a strong push towards the 0.044 cents. You guys have been awesome in the community. I'm so glad to be a part of it. And again, in the monthly time frame, we see the histograms going strong in the green, but most importantly above that zero line. So we may be in the accumulation phase of this overall bull run, and you guys may be in fact right. We may see that dollar in the next couple of months, or possibly sooner, but let's kind of reach for the stars. I'm being very optimistic here. Let me know what you guys think it down below. Thanks so much for tuning in and showing me your love, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.